Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farhad and I'm lecturer radiology at Professional College of Medical Sciences. And today I will present the topic by the name of pancreas. Of pancreas. Pancreas, an elongated leaf-like structure, and it is present in the epigastric and left upper quadrant on the posterior abdominal wall behind the stomach. These are 9 regions of the abdominal cavity, and pancreas is present in the epigastric region. Epigastric region. But some part of the pancreas is present over here, and the rest is present in the epigastric region. The pancreas is present behind the stomach. Pancreas has a dual function. It acts as an endocrine, as it has an endocrine function as well as an exocrine. Endocrine function and exocrine function. The endocrine function of the pancreas is it produce chemicals or hormones and like insulin and glucagon. And the exocrine function of the pancreas is it produce enzymes and what is the function of this enzyme? It helps in digestion of food. What are these enzymes? So 3 types of enzyme it produce is amylase, and amylase helps in a breakdown of carbohydrates. This is the first enzyme. Second one is protease, and protease helps in the breakdown of the protein, and protein break down into amino acid. These are the second enzyme, and the third enzyme is lipase. And lipase helps in the breakdown of fats. So these are the 2 functions of the pancreas. Now comes to the structure of the pancreas. Basically, pancreas consists of 4 parts: head, neck, body, and tail. These are the 4 parts of the pancreas. Here I am going to draw a simplified diagram of the pancreas. So the most expanded and widest part of this organ means the pancreas is head. And the head of the pancreas is like a disc shape and lies within the concavity of the duodenum. Here the duodenum is present, which is the first part of the small intestine. head of the pancreas is present in the concavity of the duodenum. Next to the duodenum, next to the head of the pancreas, the neck is present. And neck is constructed portion of the pancreas and connects to the head to the body. Next is the constructed portion of the pancreas and it connects the head of the pancreas to the tail of the pancreas. Sorry, the body of the pancreas. This is the body. So the neck connects the head with the body of the pancreas. Next to the body of the pancreas, this small portion is tail. So these are the 4 parts of the pancreas. Here, the spleen is present. So the neck of the tail of the pancreas is somehow connected to the hilum of the spleen. Here are the structure of the pancreas. Now come to the blood supply of the pancreas. Blood supply. The arterial supply. The splenic and superior and inferior pancreatoduodenal artery supply oxygenated blood to the pancreas. The splenic, the superior pancreatoduodenal artery, and the inferior pancreatoduodenal artery supply the oxygenated blood to the pancreas. Venous supply. The corresponding veins drain into the portal system. These are the corresponding veins of the pancreas drain deoxygenated blood into the portal vein. And the portal vein goes and connects with the inferior vena cava. Nerve supply. So sympathetic and parasympathetic, this is vagal, nerve fiber supplying to this area means pancreas. These all are about the pancreas. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.